You can just tell. If you know, you know. She's got power. Check that out. You can just tell. You can just tell. If you know, you know. She's got power. Yeah. What a sexy thing. Mag straps for the win. Again, guys, mag straps always wins. Look at that. On the wheelie bar, why not? On a 5-second car. Yeah. Okay.
Really didn't realize how little content I had for today's video, so hope you guys enjoy a short little video of me removing some decals off of a 3,500 horsepower drag car. Super sick car. This thing is amazing. I really dig this car. The stance is just Anyway, I've also always loved 69, 68 Camaros, and that's what this body is based off of, so works really well. Thank you guys so much for bearing with a super short video today. Tomorrow's video will be a little bit longer, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow.